Welcome to the second section of this chapter. Let's get started. In this section, we'll learn the setting of section. In Word document arrangement, section break and page break are very important. What is the difference between them? First, I would like to introduce page breaks. When the content of the document fills a page, an automatic page break is inserted into the document to start a new page. If you need a page in a specific location, you need to manually insert page breaks. Click Insert Breaks. Page breaks are used to divide a page into two pages. So what's the function of a section break? On the Section tab, click Section Navigation pane. It can be seen that after inserting the page, the document is in the same section. Select the second page to set the paper direction. It is found that the two pages will be modified as well. That is to say, inserting page breaks in the document cannot be set independently. At this point, we need to use a section break. First, click Section, tab Add Section. In Section Navigation pane, select the section where you want to set the paper direction. Now you can see that there are different paper directions in our document. The document can be divided into different modules by using the section break, which is convenient for us to set the page separately for each module. This is the end of this section. Thank you.